Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to recover deleted Snapchat photo, videos, and messages. So you may be in a situation where you have deleted a photo or a video of Snapchat and now you want to recover it. So in order to do this, I would recommend that you have autosave My Story Snap turned on your Snapchat account. You can do this by going to your Snapchat app, then tap on your profile photo, then settings, then memories, where it says autosave My Story Snap, make sure it is set to autosave to memories. If you don't have this turned on, then the next step won't be relevant. However, for those of you who have turned it on, then you can recover some photos and videos of Snapchat. On the main page of Snapchat, swipe up to access your memories. Now here are all the snaps you have posted. You will see a snap only if you have autosave turned on. Hold and press on a video which you would like to recover. Then tap on Export, scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Then save it to a folder on your iPhone. This will export that specific Snapchat video to your phone. Now to recover saved messages and other information, you can request your full data export from Snapchat. To do this, tap on your profile photo, then tap on Settings, scroll all the way down until you see My Data. Snapchat will then ask you to log in to Snapchat web page. I've already done this before, so it's gone straight to My Data page. Now on this page, you can request to download all your Snapchat data. That information includes a long list, but the most important ones are memories, saved chat history, and snap history. So go ahead and read all that and submit the request. Snapchat will then ask you to verify an email once data is ready to download. It will be in a form of a zip file, so you'll need to download this on a PC or a Mac in order to view it. And using this process, you can recover your photos, videos, and messages from Snapchat. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. If this video is helpful, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.